Okay, hi, I'm Yvonne, and I'm the co-founder of Noodle Factory. We're an AI teaching assistant platform. So our experience with EDUtech has been really good. This is actually the third year that we are exhibiting. What's really good is because we are a B2B platform, so we target educators, and I think that there's a lot of interesting educators who come in. They're really looking for technologies, ways to innovate. So this has been a very positive experience for us. So for the past 2 years before this, we were in the startup booth, and that has also been great. But one of the things that we found is like we were lacking in space because a lot of educators wanted to get hands-on to learn more about the technology. So this year we made a decision to have a bigger booth, and we're actually running AI clinics at the back as well, so that we have the ability to kind of engage them and let them try our platform. Well, we have a lot of interesting updates planned. As you know now, AI, especially generative AI, is really hot, and we have a lot of exciting things in the pipeline. Also, obviously, helping educators first because that's our platform, but also expanding and improving the student experience as well.